Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the photo. Crop tightly to the face or unique features so search algorithms focus on the subject. Once done, run 2-3 reverse image searches, Google Lens, TinEye, and Bing Visual Search, because different engines index different sites. Make sure to save each cropped variant and note visible clues like logos, signs, or landmarks. These become keyword filters for the next step. You're already searching. Now collect evidence and keywords to refine results efficiently. You move into deeper techniques by searching each social platform directly. Instagram's own search, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter often surface different reposts. Once you have keywords from the photo, combine them with location and event terms, and test hashtag and username permutations. Make sure to use browser extensions or image hash tools to find visually similar images across pages, and look through public archives or repost sites because people often mirror content there. Keep notes on promising leads to avoid repeating searches. You finish by verifying any candidate profiles. Compare timestamps, mutual friends, consistent photo sets, and bio details to confirm identity before contacting. Once verified, reach out politely through direct message or via a mutual connection and avoid sharing personal data. If you can't find matches, don't stop. Recrop the image, enhance resolution, try alternate reverse search engines, and post a request on relevant forums or groups with permission-based context. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.